So what's up, guys? So look, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make sound out of just using the glass in your finger. So look, the first step you need to do is wet your finger. Hold up, guys, I decided to move it to one of the restrooms because you know we have to move to the other one. So, first thing you need to do is get water. Don't your finger, it doesn't matter. Put water on your finger. You get your glass, right? Then you just go. I know y'all hear that. See, look, I can add water right. I added water, that's it. Get my hand there. The lower the water, the higher the pitch. I learned that in class. I can feel it to the top. Bella gonna hear something, but different sound.